that's all. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So, yan guys. Ang bilis na mag-transfer from Grab Pay to our BPI debit card, debit master cards, which is yung savings account, diba? So, yun, napakabilis lang, seconds lang, diba? Within, pagka-send mo pa lang, andyan na siya. Wala pang 1 minuto, guys. So, yun, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And abang kayo sa mga susunod pang mga videos ko. And, yun nga, guys. Keep safe tayong lahat. And, magpabakuna tayo, guys. Kung meron na dyang available sa atin. Diba? So, yun. Basta maging, always be, responsible and yun, keep safe sa ating lahat, guys. Stay healthy, and then yun, and then maintain ang social distancing. So yun, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe sa ating lahat, and God bless. Bye.